This place is known as the Sidoba temple. It is in near Hatkalangde, Kolhapur district, Maharashtra. This is known as a Arte Park, and it is a reserve place in reserve forest in Eastwhile, Kolhapur Sansthan. And this is my favorite place for birding and bird sound recording. Now I am myself preparing for bird sound recording. I have designed my kit to help me in many ways. These are my equipments. This is a Wildtronics parabolic dish, and this is a blue is a carrying case. Now I have got headphone, Olympus binocular. Then here I show you. This is my recorder. This is my record. Then this is a sling bag which contains some writing material and field guide, water bottle, camera, and my backpack. These are the equipment. All this will go on my shoulder, and I can handle everyone whenever it's necessary. This is my slung bag. We will go first. This bag contains this book, another small book for field identification, and some writing material, and in case Swiss knife. This will go first like this. Then I will add other things. This is my sack, my water bottle. I will put water bottle inside. And if you are 3-4 hours in the field, you need to have water every time. So I will wear this. Then comes my camera. This is my Nikon Coolpix, and I use the camera only for necessary for very rare things, and I am not a good photographer at all, but I do record some important incident. So I will clip it like this thing like this, but this will on the upper clip, and that will go back on my back side. Then this is my Olympus 7 into 35. It is a good for bush birding. Last almost 15 years I'm using this one, and now this is the binocular. I can, whenever I want, I put, and then I will hang. If I want to take a photograph, I will take out the camera, and then I will hang it over. Then here comes my recorder. This is my very old recorder, Maran's PMD 221. This one is a specially designed case. In this small patch, rechargeable batteries are inside, and one extra card is there. So I will put it like this, and this will go like this. Before that, I used to check all these things, battery and all these things. Then I put it into my shoulder. Then, then comes my headphone, which is essential for recording. So I will put it like this, so I can wear it like and remove it like this. So before plugging the pin, I will take it from the loop. So the minimum tangling of wire. This is the recorder is now fit. I will set the recording level, all these things before I start my recording. Now this is my parabolic microphone. This microphone is recently bought, which is Wildtronics parabolic microphone. XLR pin is already fitted. I have fixed one camera belt here, so I can hold it anyway. Then I will put this in this loop again. This is okay. Then again this wire will go through this loop. Now this everything is done. Now one thing, in a rainy days, I should have to cover all these things. So I will take it. First. Carry, I carry umbrella, and this will go in this loop and will go back. Suppose the rain, all of a sudden rain began, then all these things I have to protect from rain because all these electronic things. So I will take it out. And this will discover my everything. So there will be no problem to my equipment and myself also. When the rain goes out over, then I will. All this everything is ready. When the bird comes, I will see it. Then I will take out my book, make the identification, and my mobile is there, and there is a eBird app is there. So I will make all these entries in that. In the meantime, if I need to write something, I will take out my ball pen and card and write there. I want to take incidental photographs, so I will use my camera when it will goes away. So now I am listening some sounds. So I will bring this. I will hold my microphone, then do recording, then shut down, and all these things are happening. So for next 3 to 4 hours, I will carry all these things, and my two hands are free, and everything is accessible. Plus water bottle is here in this bag. No, generally I didn't carry any food because it is not necessary. Biscuits, all these things for 3 4 hours. And in case I need water, then I can put down all these things and drink water. Great. You can also use this technique and make your birding and bird sound recording or bird photography very easy. Thank you. Even I can climb on this roof of this roof with all these. Now again I am ready. I think you may love this. Thank you.